I don't take no for an answer. When I first started off and I had my own firm, I didn't really have much business, so I had to try that much harder to get the client's trust, to get more clients in. Part of that was just putting in a lot more effort in taking on more challenging cases. To a lot of attorneys, it's not worth, if you look at the economics, to spend 500 hours on a case that the most it's going to get you is $3,333. So they're going to turn those cases away because they look at the business aspect of every case. So I started taking on the more challenging cases. And as time went by, I realized the more challenging cases are actually very rewarding. I had a client that had a slip and fall at a dollar store, and she had gone to 3 big law firms and they had all turned her away because they said that they had sent a letter to the insurance company, insurance had denied it, and they thought she didn't have a good case. And the reason they told her was that you were not wearing the right shoes on the day that you fell. That just didn't sit well with me. So I took that case on, knowing that 3 big law firms had already turned her case away and the insurance company had turned it away. I filed a lawsuit, I worked hard at it, and in the end, I got her a settlement that was very close to $100,000. And I remember she was crying. She could not believe the amount of money that she was getting at the end of it, because I was persistent, because I believed in her, because I didn't want to just say no to her, and I fought for her. You have to be creative. You got to think outside the box. You can't just take every case looking at it if there's just clear liability. You have to think, let me look at this situation and see if I can build a case here. And I think if you put your mind to it and you put the extra hours, I think you can find a case.